I don't want to be partners with their wife or whoever, or the husband or boyfriend or girlfriend or heroin dealer, whoever's in their will is not who I want to be partnered with. So what I do in every business deal I do in the operating agreement is I say, listen, the company is going to buy a life insurance policy on both of us.
Exactly.
The company pays that life insurance policy. We use a bank on yourself policies almost always. But then what happens is the company pays for those policies, and we write it in the operating agreement that if somebody dies, whoever the beneficiary is of that other person or other person's life insurance, they get the money in exchange for the other half of the business or the other third of the business.
Exactly. That's a very advanced way of doing it, and most people who are starting out don't think about that. One way I have seen it is that the operating agreement says if someone dies and the surviving partner has the option to buy out the whoever the heir is or whatever, and there's a mechanism for figuring out how much that isn't dependent on the opinions of the parties. You know,